Is it time to buy or sell Google stock? In this video, we are delving into the intricacies of Google. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 2nd of April, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest insights. You do not want to miss any vital updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 31st of March, 2025, our system has categorized Google as a hold or accumulate, resulting in a score of negative 0.52. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this timeframe. The stock has undergone natural fluctuations, showing an increase of 1.55%. This equates to an average return of 0.52% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The stock is currently situated within the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines within this trend are likely. The existing 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 20.59% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 23.11% to negative 11.02%. Shifting our focus to the longer term, our analysis over the span of 12 months indicates a projected change of 7.54%. Based on our assessments, the stock's performance could fluctuate between 5.8% and 42.93% over the next year. In practical terms, this would translate to a future price between $166.15 and $224.45. Our latest daily update for Google includes the headline, Google stock price down 0.0191% on Wednesday. The Google stock price fell by negative 0.0191% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 2nd of April, 2025. The price declined from $157.07 to $157.04. During the last trading session, the stock experienced fluctuations of 2.4%. with a low of $154.70 and a high of $158.41. The price has shown volatility during this period, resulting in a loss of negative 4.18% over the last 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume also decreased on the last day, which can be seen as a positive indicator since volume should correspond with stock movement. On that day, trading volume fell by 7 million shares, with a total of 24 million shares traded for approximately $3.75 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $207.05, while the lowest was $147.22. Currently, the price is 24.15% or $50.01 below the 52-week high, and 86.11% or $973.61, below the all-time high recorded on January 15, 2018, when the price peaked at $1,130.65. Alphabet, the parent company of Google, is currently facing significant challenges as a bombshell lawsuit alleges discrimination against male employees by a Google executive. This lawsuit claims that the situation has caused severe distress for a former employee. This controversy could negatively impact public perception, which may influence Google's stock performance in the short term. Additionally, there has been a shakeup in leadership, with Sissy Hayo stepping down from her role overseeing the development of the artificial intelligence chatbot Gemini. Such executive changes can create uncertainty around product development and strategy, raising concerns among investors about the future direction of Google's AI initiatives. On a more positive note, a market rating upgrade indicates that Alphabet is seen as entering a buy zone, presenting a potential long-term investment opportunity. Analysts have pointed out its low forward price-to-earnings ratio, suggesting undervaluation compared to its peers, along with significant technical support levels that could act as a catalyst for a rebound. Overall, While immediate litigation concerns may weigh on the stock, the long-term outlook appears optimistic if Alphabet successfully addresses these challenges and capitalizes on its market position in artificial intelligence and technology. Investors should closely monitor these developments as they could shape stock performance in the upcoming quarters. Analyst ratings. On Friday, January 10, 2025, it was reported that KeyBank assigned Google an overweight grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, January 7, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned Google a neutral grade with a hold action. On Friday, January 3, 2025, it was reported that Wolfe Research assigned Google an outperform grade with a hold action. On Thursday, January 2, 2025, it was reported that JMP Securities assigned Google a market perform grade with a downgrade action. On Thursday, November 21, 2024, it was reported that UBS assigned Google a neutral grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general buy rating to Google stock. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as a strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Google. Today, the stock presents mixed signals. The Google stock displays sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative outlook. Additionally, there is a general sell signal stemming from the relationship between these two indicators, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at $160.13 and $169.75. A breakthrough above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. Notably, volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, lowering the overall risk since volume typically aligns with price movements. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Friday, March 28, 2025, and thus far, it has increased by 1.76%. Further upward movement is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, there is a buy signal indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that you might find intriguing. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. The pivots generated a buy signal 4 days ago. The Bollinger Band signaled a buy 3 days ago. The short-term moving average provided a sell signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 41 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 37 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average showed a buy signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 30 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 21 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Google. Google finds support from accumulated volume at $154.64. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock experiences average daily movements, and with a solid trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $3.71 between its high and low, representing a change of 2.4%. Over the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 3.19%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Google, let's briefly discuss some important fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This vital metric evaluates a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate either subdued expectations for the company's future or that the stock is undervalued, suggesting a possible buying opportunity. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 24th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $2.02. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Google. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Google is at $170.28. If you do not own any shares, you might want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who are already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Google faces its first support level at $154.64. If this support level holds, it could serve as a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Google from multiple analyst sources is buy. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the first day of April 2025, O'Toole Amey conducted an insider sale of 673 shares of Class C capital stock. On the 28th of March 2025, Walker John Kent conducted an insider purchase of 17,782 shares of Class C capital stock. On the same day, Walker John Kent conducted an insider sale of 17,782 shares of Class C capital stock. On the 28th of March 2025, Arnold Francis conducted an insider sale of 111 shares of Class C capital stock. On the 25th of March 2025, Ashkenazi Anat conducted an insider sale of 6,686 shares of Class C Google stock units. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 14.990. Overall, insiders purchased 1,472,730 shares and sold 1,083,998 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $148.34, indicating a decline of 5.54%. This stock experiences moderate daily fluctuations, resulting in a medium level of risk. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 3 days ago. Is Google stock a good buy? Google shows several positive signals, yet we believe these indicators are insufficient to label it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it is more prudent to view it as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors should either maintain their positions or gradually accumulate shares while monitoring future developments. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. Looking ahead to trading on Thursday, the 3rd of April, we anticipate that Google will open lower with a projected decline of approximately 32.5 cents. Starting at $156.72. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.